light fades, past ancient roots and shadowed glades. The whispering leaves bid me farewell, their blessings carried in a silver spell. I wonder where starlight leads beyond the forest, past river reeds to distant lands where dawnlight wakes. I follow the path the ancient takes. Mist on the hills like a veil of dawn guides my steps as I journey on. Mountains rise with their ageless might, calling my heart with the voice of night. I wonder where starlight leads beyond the forest, past river reeds to distant lands where dawnlight wakes. I follow the path the ancient takes, through amber plains and sapphire seas, through twilight winds and moonlit trees. Magic lies in each unknown mile, the world unfolding with a secret smile.